Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm making this healthy and delicious fruit cake. This is also a last minute cake as there's no pre-soaking of dry fruits. So keep on watching. For the dry ingredients, I'm sifting 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. To this add 3/4 of a cup of semolina. I've used fine semolina, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix it all well and keep it aside. Next, take some dry fruits of your choice. Here I've taken a mix of dried mulberries, cranberries, raisins, and apricots. So there's no pre-soaking in this recipe, so I'm cooking it for 5 minutes in 1 cup of fruit juice. You can use any juice you like or which you have at home. For now, I'm using 1 cup of apple juice. So boil it for 5 minutes till the dry fruits absorb all the juice and it becomes soft and plump. For the wet ingredients, take 1 cup of yogurt. To that, add 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. You can use butter instead. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of date syrup. You can make date syrup easily at home. I'll write down the recipe in the description box, or if you don't have dates, you can also use maple syrup or jaggery syrup. Mix it well. Now add the dry ingredients to it and mix well with a spatula. Do not overmix. Fold in the batter and then you can add some chopped nuts. Here I've taken some almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, and pecan nuts. Chop it into pieces and then add it into the batter. Next, add the dry fruits that we've cooked and mix everything well so it's well combined. The batter shouldn't be too runny nor too thick. This is just the right consistency. Transfer the batter to a baking tin that's been lined with parchment paper and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. I'm just adding a little bit of extra cashew nuts that I had on top. After around 40 minutes of baking in the oven, our cake is ready and it smells amazing. Allow it to rest for a few minutes and once it cools down, you can cut it. You can see that our cake has come out really soft and moist and it's so rich, full of dry fruits and nuts. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. If you do try out this recipe, do let me know in the comments how it turned out. And until next time, bye-bye.